Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. The Link chart reacted already here to the yellow support region. Yeah, we talked about this support area and we are now exploring if maybe an overall low has already formed. I'm cautious at this stage. I need to see the 5 waves to the upside and then a 3-wave pullback needs to hold, obviously. So we're going to talk about that. Elliott wave gives us a roadmap, shows us some tendencies, where the price might find resistance, where the price could be going. Also in the very short term, I'm going to give you micro support levels and the next upside targets. So looking at the bigger picture, this is still a bullish structure because the move from the June lows to the, where's the June low here? From the June lows to the March highs, that has been a 5-wave rally to the upside. And this 5-wave rally probably topped in March 2024. And then not so long ago, and then we're now in this pullback, a corrective pullback. Main support region is defined between $12.79 and $6.90. In this support area, we want that the price is turning around somewhere there. When we just look at the bigger picture, somewhere there, we want that the price is turning around. We did talk about a trend line before. The trend line broke to the upside and it was sort of a breakout signal. And the market is now rallying. And I have to zoom in so that you can actually see what it's about. But at the moment, one more low, we should still prepare for one more low. It doesn't have to happen, but we should prepare for it because Elliott wave allows us to understand that the market could simply be forming a larger A, B, C structure. But it's also possible that the wave 2, which is, wave 2 correction before a larger third wave rally begins, the wave 2 could already have finished because as per Elliott wave guidelines, a wave 2 tends to finish in the area of a wave 4 of one lesser degree. So that's here around that 1260 level. Yeah, it did turn around there, right? The only question is it sustainable? And if it's sustainable, well, we will only know when we see the first 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave pullback. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour chart, you can see that we have 2 wave counts that we're observing. So I've got lots of levels on here. Let me take out the support zone down here that worked out. Quite a few levels to watch. We need to understand the meaning behind them. So important, I think, is to recognize that the current rally could just be a B wave. Okay, so it could always fail after 3 waves. Why is that? It's because the rally from the 13th of April low is basically corrective. What does that mean? Well, it means that there are corrective waves in the subwave structures, especially here at the beginning. It was a 3-wave rally. So that means I can call that in the yellow count, which is the short-term bearish one. Well, very short-term bullish, but overall it still allows for another move down into the yellow support region. This could be an A wave, this could be a B wave, and we could be in the C wave now, in which we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, 4, and 5. And that could actually be an impulse, the way it looks, possibly. Now, in this scenario, we need to finish wave 3, get a wave 4 pullback, and then rally in wave 5, ideally. Yeah, but because it's a B wave, it doesn't need to do any of that. Okay, it can just break down. And therefore, I added the support zone, and the support zone ends at 1468, which means a break below 1468 indicates that the B wave has topped and we're heading down to round about, $10 possibly. So that's the yellow count. That just means we have to be watching the 1468 level. Against that level, the focus could be on higher. The white count allows for an interpretation that we say, okay, maybe we've bottomed here in all of wave 2, but it needs to give me then a leading diagonal count. Wave 1, wave 2, and then A, B, C in wave 3, then the 4 and the 5. You see, they are quite different. They're quite similar, sorry. They're quite similar. And that's the problem. Whenever I'm dealing with diagonal patterns, you can't trust them. Therefore, the minimum requirement I have is that 5 waves form to round about $20. If that's the case, I can confirm, first level of confirmation, we've bottomed. However, it's not certainty. So that level of confirmation will increase if we form a 3-wave pullback afterwards. So once we get 5 waves, I'm going to add a support zone to the chart to tell you, okay, this is the wave 2, okay? From here, we could get another rally. So that's what I need to see. So Elliott wave allows us to understand, okay, there's a potential for a B wave rally. The white count and the red and the yellow B wave, they move in very similar ways at the moment. The white count is the more bullish one, and there are clear parameters. For example, what I'd like to see is that this third wave here maybe gets one more high. At least it could get a few more upside adjustments into the $16.90 to $17.70 region before the fourth wave starts. Possibly even higher. I mean, the higher, the better for the white count, okay? The better for the white count. 1851 would also be absolutely preferred for the third wave. So what I want to say is the third is likely not finished. Could get a few more upside adjustments. Then a fourth wave. If then the pullback starts, I have to adjust the support area to measure it against the latest top. And then we can get a fifth wave rally to round about $20. And if those 5 waves form to $20, that would be good confirmation that we've actually bottomed, but it still needs to be proven by the upcoming 3-wave pullback then. Yeah, so at the moment we only have like three waves up, possibly 2.5 maybe. So 3 waves up, and it still needs another 4-5 pattern minimally to confirm that we've bottomed. Until then, the door is still, the trap door to the downside begins to open below $14.68. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.